Hello friends, I am Meenakshi Upadhyay and today we are going to be talking about how to improve your English. So generally how to improve your English, I am going to give you in fact many tips in a series of videos that we are starting today. So and English speaking, as you all know, is very important. What is the first and foremost thing that you have to accept before you start your English preparation or your English improvement plan? Please be ready to make mistakes, and that is my first tip to you, because when we accept our mistakes, then only we can learn. So you might make a lot of errors, and due to that we might have a lot of hesitation. So don't mind at all. If you are making mistakes, that's fine. That is the first step to learn. In fact, if you remember, as a child, when we started walking, तो सबसे पहले तो we start falling down, then only we walk. So even in learning English or for any other language or for anything at all, please accept yourself that you are going to be making mistakes, and there is nothing wrong in that. So that is my tip number one. Now tip number two is that you have to start with the 4 basic areas of learning any language, which is reading, writing, listening and speaking. Abhi reading, writing, listening, speaking ko you'll have to break it down. So first of all, when we are talking about reading, start with reading easy things that are under your control. Start writing those things that you are reading. So say you are reading an article in the Times of India or in the Sun Times or any newspaper, magazine, start writing that down. Third is listening. So you have to listen to the right English, the right language being spoken, pronunciation, etc. For that, listening to any English news is a very good way. Even movies, watching English movies or the classics, etc. Listening to English programs, all of that is going to help. So listening, so reading, writing, listening and then speaking, and then start speaking what you have written, what you have read or what you have listened to. Just start copying, so imitate something that is already there. That is the best. Like children, what do they do? When they start learning a language, they start imitating, hai na? So start imitating, and that is really going to help you. So these are 2 tips which are very important from my side.